Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you're having problem with your camera on your OnePlus smartphone, you want to head over to apps, right? So you want to go to apps, you can see camera there. So you want to go to the camera, you want to go to storage, you want to clear the storage. You want to ensure that user data is cleared and the cache is cleared. If you have any third-party picture application install, you want to go ahead and uninstall these third-party application that you are using with your camera. So if you have third-party camera apps with different emojis, etc., those can cause problem with your camera. So you want to go ahead and do that, then your camera should be working. As you can see, your camera will open up like when you just got your phone brand new. And this is it. Let us test the front camera. The front camera is also working. So guys, this is a quick fix if you have any minor issue or any minor problem with your OnePlus camera, front and back. So I hope that this was helpful in you fixing the issue. If this video was helpful, do give this video a thumbs up, do like, share and subscribe. I'm out.